Hello everyone. So we have came up with a new feature that is sales return document on TranZact. It will solve your issues related to the items which were being sent back once it was sold. How you can go ahead and update your inventory and how this document will be made. I will show you in this particular video. So let us go to first of all our all modules. Now go to sales and purchase. Now sales return can be created on any of the invoice or challan which is created challan created against OC, invoice created against OC or on direct invoice. So let's take an example. This is one of my OC. What I will do, I will quickly open this particular OC. Now please check here only OC is created. What I will do, I will quickly go ahead and create a tax invoice. Now, quantity is 10. I will just fill the basic details and then after I will proceed ahead. Just a moment. Yeah, let me quickly fill this. Nothing else. Now I will click on save and send and this invoice is created. Now once my invoice is created, please check. Suppose 5 of my items got returned back. How I can go ahead and update the same. So earlier you were going ahead and doing the manual adjustment and credit note was being made. But now you can create a document. On your right hand side, just next to generate e-waybill, you will get a drop down. Click on this. Now here is the create sales return. Click on create sales return. Now go below. This is the item. Update the quantity. Accordingly, go below and save and send. Now, please check once I saved and sent, my sales return document is created. Invoice challan quantity was 10, quantity returned is 5. If I will go back to my inventory, I can see the same in my inventory as well. Let me show you. Please check. Can you see this particular needle valve got added 5 back in my sales return challan? Through my sales return, you can also change the store and can use the document. Accordingly, your inventory will get adjusted and updated. I hope this particular feature will be helpful to you in order to manage your sales return. Have a good day ahead.